In this short demo, we'll show how to convert Abaqus simulation results of a simple cantilever beam into VTK format using YJExchanger, our online CAE data conversion tool. Here is a simple cantilever beam model, fixed on one end and loaded at the other. The simulation was performed in Abaqus, and we've generated an output database file, the ODB file. Let's open YJExchanger, a cloud-based converter that supports formats from Abaqus, Ansys, Fluent, Nastran and more. Just drag and drop your ODB file here. The system automatically detects the solver and conversion options. Once the process completes, you can download the VTK file instantly. Now open ParaView and load the converted VTK file. You can easily visualize displacement, stress and other result fields. Here's the deformation under a single load case. ParaView lets you explore your results interactively, apply color maps, and even create high-quality animations. With YJExchanger, you can convert your CAE results across platforms in just minutes. Save time, improve collaboration, and make your workflow smoother. Try YJExchanger today. Convert, visualize, and collaborate.